Listen, she's testing you right now, and you don't even know it. That text she didn't reply to? Test. That story about her ex? Test. That time she cancelled last minute? All tests. And here's the disturbing part. 99% of men are failing without realizing the game is even being played. But what if I told you there's a psychological cheat code to pass every single test she throws at you? Before we dive in, if you want to stop guessing and start leading, you need to check out the Scrambler. It's a step-by-step system designed to flip her attraction switches and make her chase you. I've put the link in the top of the description. Check it out after this video. Now, let's start with the most brutal one. Test number 1. The delayed response. She takes 6 hours to text back. You see her online, posting stories, but your message is ignored. Most guys panic and double text. They think they're being caring, but they're actually failing the needing validation test. The Scrambler method calls this the uncertainty gap. Instead of chasing, you wait. If she takes 6 hours, you take 12. When you finally reply, you don't apologize, you keep it brief. This proves her silence doesn't affect your world. Suddenly, she is the one wondering why you aren't chasing. Test number 2 and 3, the jealousy trap and the last-minute flake. When she flakes, most guys get angry or try to reschedule immediately. That's a fail. Instead, say no worries, I've got some other things to catch up on anyway. Enjoy your night. This is where the psychological power shift happens. If you want to know exactly how to maintain this high-value frame without ever breaking character, the link to the Scrambler in my description is your best friend. It gives you the exact words to say when she tries to push your buttons. Test number 4, the emotional vampire. This will blow your mind. This is the one I warned you about. She calls you just to vent about her problems for 2 hours. You think you're building a connection. Wrong. You're being tested to see if you're a provider of attention or a leader of men. If you let her use you as a free therapist, you enter the friend zone permanently. A high-value man says, "Hey, I'd love to chat, but I've got a busy night. Let's talk when you're in a better mood." Click. This sounds harsh, but it's the only way she respects your time. Test number 5. I'm not looking for anything serious. This is the final boss test. She wants to see if you'll beg for a relationship. 99% of guys say, "I can wait for you." They become the backup plan. The winner says, "Perfect. Neither am I. I'm glad we're on the same page." She panics. She expected you to chase, but you pulled back. This is the core of the Scrambler, creating a vacuum that she feels forced to fill with her own effort. The truth is, all 5 of these tests measure one thing. Do you value yourself more than you value her attention? When you set boundaries and use the psychological triggers we discussed, she stops testing you and starts chasing you. But if you want to master this and never fail a test again, you need the full system. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get the Scrambler right now. Stop being the guy who gets tested and start being the man she's afraid to lose.